Hi guys, I'm going to do a self-tanning video. I'm not going to lie, I'm a little bit nervous. I do self-tan from time to time. It's not something that I do very often at all. However, I've just got the feeling, I just want to do it. I've just got the vibe, I need to tan up a little bit. So I'm going to give it a go, and I thought that I would share some of this with you. I'm going to do legs, I'm going to do arms. Anyway, so I picked up this. This was literally from, move over this way a bit. This was literally from Home Bargains, and I think it was £2.99 for the mousse and £1.99 or 99p for the applicator. So that's the applicator. And I've got to be honest with you, I've never even used an applicator before. I normally just whack it on with my hands and then give my hands a really good scrub. But I'm going to try and do it properly for the sake of the video. Okay, so what does it say? Exfoliate. Right, use the white sponge side first to gently buff the skin, removing any dead skin cells. The sponge is soft enough to use on your face and body, leaving your skin smooth, fresh and clean.
Before applying the self-tan, then you put on the protective glove on your hand and put the mitt on over the top of this. Ensure the mitt is dry before you use, so as to not absorb too much of the product. Apply a small amount of the self-tanning product onto the wet sponge side of the mitt and apply gently over the skin using a smooth action.
So, okay, so that's what it's telling me to do with this. Now let's read the instructions on this St.Moritz Instant Tanning Mousse. That's what the bottle looks like. And this is in medium, instant colour, streak free, fast drying.
Okay, achieve a natural, gorgeous glowing tan with our award-winning medium toning mousse. Our easy to apply, streak free and fast drying mousse is ideal if you're wanting to achieve a famous tan. Oh, a fabulous tan. The instant guided colour will help ensure...
I'm going to go and exfoliate first and get some cream rubbed into the back of my heels and my knees, because that's the part that I'm going to be doing first. And I'll be back. Right, okay, so I've just taken the mitt out. So that's the brown side that you use afterwards. So that's the side you apply the tan with, and then you sort of like take off afterwards, I think. That's like the exfoliating one, so just go over your skin with that one. And they're the gloves. I've just got Cath Kidston one here, and I'm going to put this on to my ankles and my knees.
Not my ankles, but back to my heels and my knees.
Let's get this positioned a bit better. Try and do it so that you can see my legs. Take a photograph of my leg as it is now. Right, so bend over. Oh dear. Okay, I'm right-handed, so that's the one I'm going to use. So it's going to go like this. But before I do that, I need to give this a vigorous shake. I think I'm going to start off with small amounts because I'm unsure really. I haven't used this one before, so let's get pumping. Okay, that's what I'm going with to start with. Get the leg up. Oh, you can see the guide colour, look. Oh, go away wherever you are. Phoning me when I don't want anyone to. Need some more on the back. My first application, but I can definitely see, I'm not going too bad over the foot, but I can definitely see the difference. So this is going to go up on the old thighs. Just there. change hands. Already I can see a difference just in untanned and tanned. Let's get the old mitt on and second leg. You know, it's quite quick, isn't it? Right, that much on left leg. I guess I might have been better off if I'd laid something on this bed first, but it's not a drippy formula, so it's a mousse. I don't normally go for this type of thing, although I have obviously had fake tans in the past. I'm just going to take my straps down. I've taken my bra off, so I'm going to go down to about there. Okay, mitt on. And start on. I put cream on that just now, so I'm just going to quickly go over that. Just a little bit in there because you don't normally have a tan in there, do you? Push that up a bit. There we go, just down over the hand a little bit. And then do here. I exfoliated this earlier, in the shower, so I'm just going to wipe that on there and just reach over the back a little bit. Right, then I'm going to go change hands. Arms. Thing, I'm not going to lie, keeps slipping off my hand. It's a bit annoying. I think it's the gloves because you've got the gloves on inside, and so it's a little bit slippy. And then this side. Back of my neck a little bit. I'm just going to do it like this now. It's easier to do it like that, to be honest. There we go. That is as much as I'm going to go. Sort of blend it a little bit there. I wasn't going to do my face, but I'm thinking what I'll do is just put what's left on the mitt over my face, just to maybe blend it in to my neck, and I'll be back in, what's it say? I'll be back in 4 to 6 hours, and I've showered. Well, I'll show it to you, and then I'll jump in the shower and show you what it's like. See you in a few hours. Hi, so we're 6 hours later, so I'm gonna go get in the shower. Wow, it's looking quite brown. Definitely look darker than I did before I started. There aren't any sort of tan lines or anything. up here because of course I did sort of underneath the straps and everything, but I'm definitely looking a shade darker, maybe a couple of shades darker. I'll show you my legs as well. So yeah, here we go. So my legs are looking a lot browner. I'm going to go get in the shower now, and then I'll come back and show you when it's all showered off and the end result. Okay, so I've had the shower. I can definitely see more colour. Let me see if I can show you. I don't know if it's showing up so much on camera as it is on me, but it's a lovely natural colour. I don't have any streaks whatsoever, which is an absolute bonus, isn't it, for the price, you know. If I just sort of slip this bit down, you can see here, look, and here I've got no streaks whatsoever. So I'll go back a bit now and show you my legs. Just got a pair of shorts, a pair of culotte shorts on. My legs, you can see, are definitely browner. I don't feel embarrassed about going out and having lily white legs. Absolutely streak free again. So there's no streaks at all. No nasty bits around the ankle, look. If I was more body confident, I would have just done this in a swimsuit, but I am not. So it's just a case of showing you what this tan applies like and the results. They do a darker one. Well, it's called dark. I don't know. I may try that. What I might do first of all is put another coat of this on, not yet, I'll leave it a couple of days, reapply another coat, see what colour that goes, and then if I'm brave, when the summer hits, what I might do is try the dark one, because I can take like a darker tan, but yeah, so far, so good, and I'm really enjoying it. For the price, as I say, I think it was... Let me sit down. For the price, I mean, I got it in Home Bargains, and I'm sure the Mitt was, I thought it was £1.99, but I don't now. I'm sure it's 99p for the Mitt. And then the St. Moritz tanning mousse was, I'm sure, either £1.99 or £2.99, but even if that's cost me £4 for that whole thing, I'm going to get loads of applications out of it as well. It's not like it's just one application. So yeah, I feel like I'm, you know, I can go out and about with my bare legs and they don't look as white as my t-shirt. So if you feel like you want to just try and experiment with a fake tan for the very first time, and you're not particularly confident, like I wasn't because I hadn't used that type of a product before, I've always just sort of, I have had self tans before, but they've always been applied to me, but other than that I tend to use like the gradual glow ones. But that, you know, if you want something so the next day or a couple of days later, just to make sure you don't have any streaks or anything, you want to get a little summer frock on, and if you're going somewhere special and get your pins out, it's definitely worth a go. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you have, guys, and I'd love you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you all in the next one. I now need to go get this off my hair. Bye.